Hello, I am back and this is Arcjade Vlogs once again. So guys, kakarating lang na aking Google AdSense pin at na-verify ko na yung aking address. And ngayon lang nag-email si YT na na-send daw nila sa Western Union ang aking first payment. Ayan. So, let's try our luck today. So, i-visit natin ngayon yung Western Union na branch dito. And let's see kung nandun na ba. So, join with me guys. Ayan, so guys, nandito na ako sa labas ng Western Union. So, let's go inside. Ayan, so nandito na talaga tayo guys. So, let's go, pasok tayo. So, let's try our luck kung nandyan na ba. Naa? Naa? 8978147. Namay ka tong card, miss? Tong...
Sa West.
Ah,
Card wala niya to, sir. Franchising ang mag-good
diligid mo ka tong...
Si Kuan, Maramag.
Ayan, so... I think we're good. Nandun siya sana. Parang meron na ma-receive ko na yung first payment, and let's see kung how much. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ako nag-expect. Signature lang. Signature dapat.
Delete na, sir. Okay na, sir.
Oh my gosh guys, I did not expect this one. So guys, dumating na yung sahod ko. And yes, finally, napasa kamay ko na. And I cannot contain my happiness right now. So, uuwi pa ako sa amin. So, let's talk later pagdating ko ng bahay. So guys, I'm very very happy. And thank you so much to everyone. So, let's talk later sa bahay guys. Wow guys, may sahod na ako sa YouTube. I can't believe it. Let's go. Hello everyone! And now I'm home and I am very happy right now kasi ayun nga guys, hindi ko na-expect na magkakasahod ako today sa aking YouTube account. Ayan. So guys, basically, hindi yun mismo yung pinunta ko doon sa Kalilangan, doon sa next municipality after us. Ang talagang pinunta ko doon ay magpapadala ko ng pera to a friend. So, na-receive ko yung email ni Google AdSense or ni YouTube na sabi niya, i-check ko daw yung payment if nandun na ba. So, it will take 1 to 5 days. So, nashock ako, hindi ako makapaniwala kasi kaka-receive ko lang ng aking Google AdSense pin, right? So, na-receive ko yung Google AdSense pin ko or na-verify ko yung aking address September 7. Ayan, September 7. Tapos kinabukasan, September 8, yun nga, pumunta ako doon. Tapos, yun na. So, pwede na pala siyang, diretso pala siya. So, one day lang yung pagitan, guys. After ko ma-verify yung aking address, ay nag-send sila ng payment. So, trinay ko lang ha. Trinay ko lang. So, nag-ask pa ako sa aking mga kaibigan sa YouTube na, Mama, ano to? Like, Mama Joella Kuala, Ate Jan Torres, yung mga monetize at nakasahod na mga channel. So, tinanong ko sila if, totoo ba yun? Na pwede ko na ba siyang i-withdraw? So, sabi nila, i-try ko daw. So, ayun, good luck kasi merong Western Union doon sa Kalilangan. So, ayan. So, trinay ko lang talaga siya, guys. So, ayan. So, yung sa first part ng video, nakita niyo guys na nandun na nga. So, ayan. So, ang katanungan ngayon, guys, magkano ba yung sinahod ko for my first payment dito sa YouTube? So, let's check the receipt. Ayan, so wala pala dito yung receipt. Nandun pala sa sa kwarto. So, yan. Dito na siya guys. Nandito na yung receipt at yung money. So, let us go here. And so, ito yung receipt ng Western Union. Here. And nakakasad lang kasi yung exchange rate napakababa ngayon. So, it's 47.9. Ayan, mababa yung kanilang... Kasi nisipon ako. Mababa yung kanilang exchange rate. So, ayan guys. So, pagkapunta ko pa lang sa Western Union, hindi ako nag-fill out ng form. Nakakatuwa nga. So, mas easier siya guys. So, ang sinulat ko lang doon sa sa Western Union ay yung 10-digit na sa parang code or reference number na makikita niyo sa inyong Google AdSense account. So, ayan. So, let's check this one first. So, by the way guys, kailangan niyo pala ng valid ID. And kailangan niyo rin po na sabihin yung inyong mga address. Nagtanong sila ng inyong mga trabaho, address, birthplace, ganon, at mga mobile number, ganon. So, yan. So, here. Alright, so guys, yung first payment ko ay it's worth... Wala akong na-receive. Sorry guys! Wala ko na-receive na payment. Charot lang. Ayan, so kidding aside. So, ang na-receive ko in dollars ay $253. So, now, in peso, it is worth 12,027 pesos. Ayan. So, guys, thank you so much for that one. So, hindi yan possible or hindi ko yan ma-reach na amount if hindi dahil sa inyo. Especially po sa mga super chatters. Yan. So, sa mga super chatters, kayo talaga yung malaking percentage ng first payment ko, and I am very thankful po sa inyo. So hindi ko kayo maisa-isa. I just want you to watch the last part of this video kasi doon ilalagay ko yung mga names. Thank you talaga guys. Like hindi ko pa siya, I don't have any plans on what to do with the money. So magko-contemplate pa ako dito guys. And I want this to be dapat yung worth it na paggagastuhan. And ayan, also to my channel members, thank you so much guys for being a member of my channel. Ayan, so I will have an announcement for my channel members so that your membership fee will not go into waste. Ayan. So maghahanap tayo ng purpose guys kung anong gagawin natin sa inyong mga membership fee na binayad dito sa akin channel. And thank you so much guys sa mga nag-renew. Thank you so much sa mga after 1 month. Thank you din. Thank you din sa inyo guys. You really contributed a lot to this success of my channel, and I am very happy and thankful. So guys, I am speechless. Speechless pero marami akong sinabi. And anyway, so I'm very thankful. Thank you so much guys. And yes, so to show you proof, here's your money guys na inyong binigay sa aking account. And so here. Ta-da! And so this is 12K in total, and thank you so much. Thank you talaga guys. Like, words cannot express my feelings on how thankful am I to you all. Thank you so much, and I'm hoping that we will continue supporting each other even though nandito na ako sa malayong Bukirin. Ayan, so hindi ako masyado nakaka-support sa inyo, and I'm so sorry for that one, but yes guys, I will do my best. If magkakasignal, I will try to support guys. So thank you so much for this one. Watch the next part para makita nyo yung mga names and mapasalamatan ko kayo guys. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Shishi, arigatou gozaimasu.